Thank you for tuning in to the market update with Russell Calkins for this August 1st, 2018. Currently, it's 3:17 p.m. Arizona time. Well, there's quite a few things to cover today, so I'll get right to it. We had a recommendation to buy sugar for 2 days in a row, one at 10.77 cents per pound and the other at 10.55 cents per pound. We closed at 10.55 cents per pound, so we cannot initiate our third buy. I would rather get the third and the fourth buy, but if we can only get two buys, that's great. So your dollar cost average price right around 10.65. So in essence, you're about $100 a contract out of the money. Okay, bought twice. You're in pretty good shape. Also, the gold market. The gold market, we bought in at about 12.14 yesterday. $14 for an ounce, and you miss your buy price by $1.50, that's good enough to buy in for me. So just keep that in mind. And even though we closed at 12.14 on the August gold, we always stay with the most active month. As long as it opens around this level or a little bit lower, you can go ahead and get in on gold if in fact you didn't follow the recommendations of buying the gold just 3 trading days ago. So both of those trades are set up quite nicely, and we're looking forward to gold going up and also sugar going up. Today we'll be covering the lumber market because lumber market is significantly oversold on the daily chart. We're using candlestick charting, and by the way, I'm going to investing.com to get my free charts. All right. And also you can paper trade these recommendations. You do not have to use real money. However, you can use real money. And the people that have used real money or have paper traded in the last 30, 40 recommendations, you're doing very well. You're developing quite a wonderful track record. And if you're wanting to be a commodity trading advisor, commodity pool operator, not to get too technical, or just a broker, it's important to have a good track record. And of course, this is about the best track record you can have are my last 30, 40 trades, or ever since I started doing the market update with Russell Calkins. So today we'll be looking at the lumber market. Lumber closed at $440.40 per board feet, okay? And there's about 140,000 board feet per contract. So this pertains to 1,000 board feet. So when I give you, 1,000 board feet. So when I give you $440.40, that's for 1,000 board feet of lumber. Contract in the old days, in the 1800s, was how much product you can fit into a box car. They used to call them cars, C-A-R-S, instead of contracts. Now they're called contracts. So you can fit about 5,000 bushels of wheat, which is a contract of wheat, 120,000 board feet of lumber, 130,000 board feet of lumber, hogs, whatever. Obviously, it doesn't take a whole box car to hold 100 ounces of gold, which is a contract of gold. But anyway, that's how it first started. So getting back to the lumber is extremely exciting. It's significantly oversold. Today we closed down 3.29%. All right, so let's look at the daily chart on the lumber. We're using the Bollinger Band. We're using candlestick charting on the daily chart. And we're also using the relative strength index. The relative strength index, anything below 30 is significantly oversold. Anything above 70 is significantly overbought. Well, right now, the lumber on the relative strength index is 27.99, very low. The buy price will put it even lower. You want to be a buyer on lumber at $4.21.65. That's 421.65 for 1,000 board feet. So just concentrate on the number, which is 421.65. That's where we want to get in. And we closed at 440.4. All right, so we're not very far from it. And you want to be a seller on lumber at $596.57 for 1,000 board feet, or 596.57. And of course, past performance never ever guarantees future profits. Thank you for tuning into the market update with Russell Calkins. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. This should be very exciting. We got gold going on, we got sugar going on, and we may trigger our buy on lumber. And may God bless you.